In this video, you're gonna learn about the Color Target ParticleSystem component inside DoozyUI that works with the theme manager. So the Color Target ParticleSystem does exactly that. It changes the start color of a particle system depending on the active variant of a theme. And in order to do that, we need a particle system. I'm just going to create one. And let's see it here. Let's increase the star size a bit so we can see it a bit better. Yeah, something like that. And in order to add a color target particle system, you simply go to add component and you can go to Doozy, themes, targets, and here you have color target particle system, or you can simply write color and you will find it here. Of course, you also need some themes, and in this project I have 3 themes: another theme, general, and my theme, and you need to have some color properties set up. So I'm going to use the primary color. As you can see, the color changed to, and this is how it works. You can also change the accent to another color. And you can see how the particle system changes depending on the active variant. Of course, this also works at the runtime. Let me see if I can see it in game view. Reset. All right. So this is how it looks in game view, and I can also change it. So let's change it at runtime, because right now I'm using the editor to do that. And here I have 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3, that are connected to portal nodes. And here I have theme nodes that activates variant 1 for the target theme on other node, variant 2, and variant 3. So I'm going to enter play mode. And I'm going to click 1. So now the variant 1 is active, 2, and 3. And of course, we can also see it here, how it changes live. So 1 changed, 2, and 3. So these are 2 completely different systems. You can change it in the editor or at runtime using buttons. As you may have noticed, I'm not writing a single line of code, and this works. So this is it for the particle system. You can also override the alpha value, so you can make it a bit more transparent. And you'll notice that now the colors are a bit faded because, well, the color changed. So the start color, as you can see, I am also changing the alpha value from here. So if you use override alpha, it will retain the alpha value that you set here. If you disable it, it will be full color. All right, that's it for the color target particle system. Thank you.